Ani, Kenny Pheasant, again with our show In Dying. This video is about, again, the species of animals, but this one is the domestic animals. We call domestic animals, well, for singular, okan, okanak, for domesticated animals. And you may think, well, they're just farm animals. No, it's like a cat and dog and all that those kind of pets. Okay. When I get to that, I'll explain that. What you should call your pet. Okay. So we're going to start off with this animal. Bijike is what we call this animal. Bijike. Bijikuk for plural. Bijikuk. A calf. A small one. Bijikis. Bijikisak for the plural. Again, the male. The bull. Okay. Yabe bijike. That's the bull. Yabe bijikuk for the plural. These ones. Some people, they chase these or to let them chase them. I don't know. I don't think I'd ever want to do something like that. Okay. Bacon. No, I'm just kidding. The word for a pig. Okay. Gokosh. Gokoshat for the plural. Now, I try to look for pictures of a little pig, small little pig, and I try to find a cute one. There is no cute ones. These animals are the ugliest animals you've ever seen in the world. I should say that. Anyways, Coco Chance, for the little pig. Coco Chance suck for the little bacons. All right. For the sheep, mashtanish. Mashtanshuk for sheep, plural. In English, they say the sheep is it's singular or plural, I guess. Doesn't matter. For the lamb, a little sheep, mashtanshans. Plural, mashtanshans-uk. For a dog. We have two words, okay? A nemush or a nemokaji. A nimshuk for the plural, and nemokaji-uk for the plural. I don't know why we have two words, but we do. I understand both of them, okay? And if you want to call, just label your pet, you say ndai, ndai for your pet dog. Okay? For a puppy, a nemos or a nemokajis. A nemokajis-uk or a nemos-uk for the plural. Okay? I hope I'm not confusing you. I'm just trying to tell you and share every part of the language. Okay? This animal, bejagogji, one-hoofed animal. Plural, bejagogjik. Beautiful animals. I was raised with horses. I mean, I shouldn't say that I didn't mean it like that. The horses were on our property. I wasn't raised with them. I wasn't raised like a horse. All right. For a pony, bejagogis. Bejagogis-uk. A cat, gajug. Plural, gajaguk. For a kitten, gajagans. Kittens, gajagans-uk. Anyways, that's all I have for now about domestic animals. Ukanak. Okay? I hope it cleared up some things and not confused you anymore. But that's the way it works. Now, if you have questions about why and how, and I'll try to help you. Just send me a note. I'm not hard to find. Okay, send me a note. Or you may have a word that you want to share with us. So go ahead and do that if you want. Kenny Pheasant signing off one more time with our show Dying. Okay, chimi wach kapsin do yek minong goting. Winga zik sanage ginwa.